Okay.
Okay, what? Huh?
We ate all the fish except for 4 pieces.
Oh, we ate all the fish for 4 pieces. Boy, we're gonna get fat. I won't be able to fit in my arm. Look, it's all liver and everything.
Mama.
Eat your heart out, Elliot. Georgia Friday night, the whole thing but 4 pieces. And there was a huge plate full. But she did her share too.
Oh, now come on, Mama. Let them know you ate 10 pieces of fish.
I did not.
And 2 onion fritters.
3.
Oh, you ate 3 onion fritters
Yeah.
and 10 pieces of fish.
No. 4 pieces of fish.
No, there's been more than that. She's tearing it up.
I ain't good fried fish in a long time.
Nice one, Mom. Nice one.
Bet JB'd love to have some of this. He loves fish. But he's not getting mine.
None of your other brothers like fish?
Yeah, they all like fish.
Who likes it the most?
I do. No, I think JB does.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, him and Paul used to.
That and Brenda like it?
Yep, and he likes fish.
Does that Suey like it?
Yeah. We kids all like it. We had no choice but to eat it when we were kids. We had to eat what we had. And that was lots of fish. And clams and oysters.
You don't eat oysters now.
And corn pones.
You like oysters?
I used to when a kid down on the East Coast. I don't like them out here. They don't taste good at all.
And you like clams?
They're okay. I don't like them all the time.
Uh-huh.
But I had to eat them dinner, go hungry.
What do you like now?
She's deathly allergic to clams.
Sue is?
Yep. She just about died one night when Mom and Daddy took me to Latimer Army Hospital. And they told me I was pregnant, and I was not. Just because I had a pain in my side. Bastards. Never did have that baby. I wonder what happened to him. I went a long ways to go to a doctor.
Why's that?
Yeah, all the way to the other side of San Francisco by the Golden Gate Bridge. Near Golden Gate Park. I think. As far as I can remember.
Got anything else you want to say to anybody?
Nope.
You don't want to say nothing to Aunt Sue?
I done called her a bitch. Ain't that enough?
That son of a bitch. Mama. Now tell her how much you love her. She's waiting.
Well, she can keep her own weight.
She's still waiting.
She never did tell me how her heart is. So I'm not going to say nothing to her until she tells me how her heart is. And she won't do that because she knows she needs surgery and she won't have it.
Anything you want to say to Aunt Patty?
No,
Not even I love you?
she don't care.
She does so.
No, she don't.